What's up, guys? I'm doing a quick food review. I got the coconut pineapple pie from Jollibee. Why is there a red line across that? Is that normal? Is that to let you know that this is the different one from the peach mango pie? Anyways, the price point on this is $3, so this is really damn pricey for dessert, and this is tiny. Like, I don't remember the peach mango pie being this small, so I don't know what's up with that. Anyways, let's break this in half. That'd be the color photo. Anyways, let's get right into this. You got big chunks of pineapple. And a piece of coconut. The coconut feels chewy. Alright. As always, I like the exterior, nice and crunchy. But that coconut gives it a bit of a chewy texture. You can see a bunch of the coconut right there. I don't like that. It's weird. The overall flavor to this is really good. I would get rid of the coconut and just do pineapple. It's good, but not worth $3. And I'd rather do the peach mango pie. So overall, good product, tastes good, but that price point in Jollibee is just ridiculous. And that goes with all their food. I like their food, but that cost offsets it, or just like puts me off to it. So I only come here because I get free chicken for a year, and once that's done, adios Jollibee. Anyways, as always, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and I'm out. Deuces. Wesson. Up. Up, you old man. Up. Come on. Up. Come on, old man. Jump. Ah, he's old. Yeah, he's too old, guys. Alright, we're out. Deuces.